So guys, we are starting a new video on learning basic Python for newbies. So why do we need Python in 2025? Why not another language? So why is it called the future of programming, and what are those people telling that there are so many opportunities in the world if we learn Python? We'll find out in the video itself. So how Python is versatile. If you see that it can be used in the web development applications, we used libraries like Django and Flask, which have very ease for us to have a web development application over there. So why Python is used in the web development? Because it is very simple and the readability is so great, so which accelerates the application development and allows the developers, us and you, the future developers, to focus on solving problems rather than the syntax errors. Moving further, we see that Python is having a major role in the data science and the analysis part. So let's say we need to draw a graph, we have a data set, and we need to manipulate the data, or need to facilitate the data in sense of cleaning or make analysis out of it. Python is majorly used over there. We all know machine learning and AI. Python is majorly used. Even the Gen AI part, the Chat GPTs, the Geminis, everything involves Python in nowadays. So what are major libraries we use there is like TensorFlow and the Scikit, scripting and automation. The basic handling tasks, like let's say I want to send a Telegram message on the daily basis to someone, or a WhatsApp message even. So I can build a Python application and someone can send a message to someone else at a particular time on a daily basis. Just a normal script needs to run there. Cybersecurity. Python is widely used in the cybersecurity part too. The game development. Most people would be very fuming. Game development. I heard C was used. No, Python is also majorly used over there in the, so Pygame, it's a very simplistic library over there. Moving further, so what are the major companies that are using Python? It's Instagram, right? We didn't know Instagram. The backend part of the Instagram involves Python so heavily. So this is why they are able to upload and have interactions seamlessly, because Python is involved. Google search algorithm. So for like the YouTube and all, if they need to give a recommendation system over there, the Python algorithm goes there. With the Netflix, how they are recommending us what kind of data, what kind of movies or shows we need to watch, Python is involved there. Then the NASA's, do you know NASA? My god, NASA is using the Python for data analysis part itself, majorly in the scientific role. Of course it's NASA, that's why it is in the scientific role though. Moving further, demand, the main part why you learning Python, was you need to earn, right? So the current market trends, Python is heavily in demand in current industry. Not just the basic Python, people need to upskill themselves to move around other people. So yeah, but Python is high on demand at this very moment. If we would have talked about 4 to 5 years earlier, at in today's world, Python is very high in demand. So what is the expected growth in Python? Let's say in through the 2025, we see the jobs are expected to grow over 20% just to Python related part itself that they were in 2024. Be it any industry, be it health, finance, tech, any industry, they need Python currently. Job profile and salary. We read about the job profiles: web development, data scientist, AI engineer, so on. Everything is being required, and the salaries are expected about 80,000 to $150,000 annually. So as it is increasing gradually, I guess the salaries will increase too. So getting starting with the Python, right? So learning resources and tools. So Code Academy, Coursera, edX, these all are very very good known to platforms that provide structured Python courses. But here you are the Code Guide Express, and this will give you a very very detailed and a very very good overview of how to learn Python. The basics of Python will help you out here. The community and support. The most important part is when you're stuck in things within Python, mm, nothing can help you better than the other human. Because if you're stuck with something and the other person was stuck with the same thing about 2 years back, he'll be there and telling you, yeah, I was stuck there in this moment, you have to do xxx. And why you have to do xxx? Because something was impacted over there. And this is where Stack Overflow comes in play. Reddit, we can keep it out of the picture, but still Reddit is there, but Stack Overflow majorly is involved there. Projects, everything you have to do is build a project. So every projects are just about a lot of projects are open source projects, which help you solidify the Python knowledge. So as in the application itself. So in the next video we'll be installing Python. See you there.